There's no doubt that we can argue with the fact that an email list is a very helpful tool to have. With the list, you know who and how to sell. You also want to give your subscribers the direction to take in getting them to return to your website and how to go about the marketing of your offers and products in a pretty much more efficient manner. The problem is not in knowing that an email list is valuable, because we already agree with that. The problem lies is in being able to build an email list. And since we know and agree that an email list is indeed very valuable, we then have to find a way to build this list so we can also begin to reap some value from it. That's why in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list very fast and for free. And the content I'll be dropping are my 4 secrets that I've used myself and has helped me make a nice profit every single day. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for all you new guys, I'm Donell R. Jones. And on this channel, I'm passionate about teaching people how to build a profitable email list business utilizing top strategies and tips in email marketing. Now, if you find this content valuable, please smash that like button and subscribe button. And also tap that bell icon to get notified once I drop a new video so you don't miss a beat. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So the first secret I have for you in building an email list fast and for free is that I want you to offer an assessment to your visitors, meaning you can provide tools that can help them audit themselves. If you have a site, then you can offer something that will help them carry out some self-auditing with these tools. For example, let's say you're running a health site, then you can offer a tool that helps your visitors calculate their weight. And if it's a finance site, then you can offer them tools to calculate, things such as net worth and mortgage. Even if you don't code, there are sites such as CodeCanyon where you can actually pay a few dollars to get these tools up on your site. And while they fill in their details in order to make use of these tools, in return, you get their email address because their details will have to be filled in for them to get the results for the assessment. But personally, I happen to love quizzes even more. And this usually includes questions on their strengths, their capabilities, and weaknesses. And LeadQuizzes is an awesome tool that you can use in creating these quizzes. And yes, it's capable of capturing emails of participants who actually take the quizzes. So my second secret in building an email list very fast and for free, and which I've used for some time now, is that I want you to run webinars. I've come to find out that webinars are very effective and well loved by people. They seem as a means of interaction, and with Webinar Jam, you can create these webinars and get to interact with your audience. You can also make the webinars an evergreen one, and this is ensuring that even in the future, it will still seem like it's remaining relevant. Also, you can keep reposting these webinars at the same time every day, and it would seem as if they were live. It gives people the chance to interact, and this is very actionable. And due to the fact that you're going to have them engaged for a longer period of time, it's more likely that you will be able to get them to buy from you. So my third secret in building an email list very fast and for free would be for you to insert pop-ups for exit intent. This would show up when a potential lead tries to leave your page or your site. You could ask them a yes or no question and in the end, collect their email address. For example, when they're about to leave your site, you could ask, "Are you interested in improving your traffic?" And if the answer is yes, I would request for them to input their details. And if they say no, I would simply say, "Congratulations, you have achieved something great. Now, if you want to double your rate of conversions, then enter your email address." You do want to improve on those rates, right? They're more than likely to say yes, and this still fills in their details. See, these exit pop-ups are a very good strategy to get those details. Think of this. They want to leave your site anyway, so what's the greatest harm that could happen if you simply ask them for their email address? You can simply achieve this by making use of tools such as HelloBar. This is also a cookie-based tool, so when they return back to your site, whether they put in their email address or not, it won't pop up again. Trust me, you don't want to be a constant bother to your visitors. It's a counterproductive strategy. These pop-ups don't just work for desktops, they also work well for mobile platforms too. So now my fourth and final secret to building an email list very fast and for free would be for you to use lead magnets. Say you have an article that reads, let's say 7 ways to boost your traffic. In between, you can have a clause that says, interested in a cheat sheet to help you achieve this? Put in your details here. This secret will ensure of getting a ton of emails because lots of people will want what you have, what you're actually going to offer. Trust me, this happens to be one of the most effective strategies for me. Sure, it takes a little more effort, but then that's what makes it so effective. You would have to take the effort to either create the PDF file or to make up the cheat sheet. But then you will have something good to offer to your audience to get them to give you their email address. But however, you shouldn't go overdoing it. When there's too many pop-ups, opt-ins, or triggers, people tend to easily get really irritated. 2 or at the most 3 would be good enough. Some people have their sites bombarding their visitors with as many as 10 pop-ups. And this is totally not cool. Even when you have up to 5, it's already become too much. Use technologies that are similar so they don't keep popping up several times. And with HelloBar, you can already do most of the things that I've mentioned. Do not bombard your visitors. And follow these tips, and in no time, you will start seeing lots of results and the amount of email addresses that you will be getting. But after you've collected these emails, don't just go back to sleep. Communicate with them. You should send an email at least once a week to your list. And here's a bonus secret for you. Do a monthly scrub of your email list. Repeatedly sending emails to people who seem not to be opening them will send your emails into the spam box. And also ensure you sell to your list at least, I would say, 3 times a month on your email list. So what's the point of growing an email list if you don't get to sell to it? Now, if you need some help with understanding how to build an email list business that will become highly profitable, or you want to improve your email marketing efforts, then click the link in the description below and quickly sign up for my free masterclass. It's a free training and you will learn a step-by-step blueprint on how to build a profitable, high-quality email list business. I guarantee you, after this training, you will look at an email address in a whole different perspective. Just click the link in the description and quickly sign up. I've also got some other valuable videos that you could watch to help you in building an email list and for your general email marketing ventures. The links to those will be in the descriptions as well. So if you enjoyed this particular video, then feel free to share this video, like, and spread the word about it. Please also subscribe to the channel, and if you got a question or you're stuck with something, then you should leave a comment and I'll drop a reply back to you very quickly. Well guys, have a great day and have a great rest of the week. Stay safe. I'm Donell R Jones, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget, smash that like and subscribe button and sign up for the free masterclass training so you can get a step-by-step blueprint on how to build a profitable, high-quality email list business from scratch. All right guys, take care. Your boy's out.